Hi guys, let's eat guys. But before that, I got some beautiful flowers. This smells so good guys. Dahlias. Dahlias ni sa Philippines guys. Purple rose, yes. 100 roses in Cebu. I never been there yet, but I will visit there. And this one, when they open, it's gonna become a big flowers, the lilies guys. See, she's gonna be opening. Super giant. And I have this in my garden, but we'll just buy this today. So let's eat my pancit. It's a blessing day. Let's harvest pumpkin. Who loves pumpkin? So now guys, I show you my ginamos. So who eat ginamos? See? Ginamos from Philippines. With our Christmas candles. Candlelights. Candlelights na guys. Kaya nga itong sudan ginamos. No? And yeah, after itong sa itong pork ribs. So, pa-candlelights ta. Happy lang ta guys. Kaya ang sahon taman. Gikan man ta sa trabaho, kapoy magtrabaho. Let's eat some ginamos. Ang akong amo nagluto og pork barbecue. Pork ribs, let's eat. Alright, let's eat with the ginamos. I'll show you the ginamos guys. Una na ning ginamos. Pero gusto ko ginamos para ni siya. Let's see. So, kung anong itunlod ang ginamos dire. Tunlod. Sus ginamos, blessings. Thank you Lord for all the blessings with the ginamos from Bohol. Who went to Bohol? Comment down below if did you visit to Bohol guys. Let's eat. Yummy. I'll show you how to eat this. Huh? Tunlod ginamos. It's salty. So so the barbecue guys, the ribs, it's kind of sweet ribs. Pork ribs. Kami nagluto-luto guys. Ako kaon-kaon lang ko ha. Okay. Hindi ka man tas trabaho. Yes, let's eat.